Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is Jezla Ismat. Welcome back to another wonderful video in my YouTube channel. Even though I have shared many recipes for biryani, I keep getting requests asking for making a simple meat biryani using ready-made biryani masala and with simple ingredients. So I am sharing that recipe here today. Today I am using spicy biryani mix which is free of MSG and coloring, which really amp the unique taste and aroma to the biryani. First we need to marinate the chicken. Take a big bowl and add the chicken pieces. I used 750 grams of chicken pieces with bone for this biryani. Along with 1 packet of spicy biryani mix powder, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, handful of chopped mint leaves and chopped coriander leaves. And give a good massage with your hands. Add some salt to the chicken. Let the chicken marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. I have missed to capture adding ginger garlic paste, but make sure you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next, heat the oil and ghee over medium-high heat in a large pot. You can cook using ghee only for maximum flavor. Once the oil is shimmering, add some bay leaves, few cinnamon sticks, star anise and some cloves and saute for few seconds. Next, add 2 to 3 onions and saute for 2 minutes till the onions turn soft. Next, add marinated chicken pieces along with sliced tomatoes and some slit green chilies and give a good mix. Now let the chicken cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add long, fragrant basmati rice. I have taken 1 kilo and 250 grams of basmati rice and I soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. After adding the rice, give a good mix. Ensure you do not stir it too vigorously as this will break the rice grain. Next, add water. Adding water is something important point to remember here. If you add too much of water, the biryani will be super soggy and this is not what we want. For every 1 cup of basmati rice, I added 1 1/4 cups of water. This is the ratio I follow when I cook in the rice cooker. Sometimes the measurement of water might vary depending on the quality of your basmati rice. Now add some salt. Since we have already added salt to marinate, take care not to add too much. Finally, give everything a good stir, being careful not to be too harsh. Today I am not going to cook in the gas stove. I am going to carry this and place it in the rice cooker to cook. Start your rice cooker on the same setting as you usually use to cook plain rice. Once jump to the warm setting, open the lid and gently fluff the rice and garnish with some chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, fried onions and finally some fried cashew nuts. Today we are going to have our lunch in a traditional style which would be on a banana leaf as a plate. That's just the best way to mix and match. Brought out all the food to the hole and placed in the mat so that there would be a better natural light. And I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have not already subscribed, click subscribe now and also click the little bell icon so that you get notified the next video that I publish. Thanks once again for watching and goodbye. Spicy biryani mix is free of MSG and coloring, and it's made from all natural ingredients, which gives a unique taste and an aroma to your biryani, and it's with premium quality but at affordable price. It's available in supermarkets and grocery stores.
Spicy. පොඩි හැන්දෙන් ලොකු වෙනසක්.